We're here to surprise the under-11 girls football team. After winning a series of competitions, they will be playing at Wembley on the 1st of June. Now C2c is here because we proudly support Southend United Football Club, who also happen to have the men's team playing at Wembley on the 1st of June, just a couple of hours later. We're going to surprise them with their kit today. We've got some goodies for them, so we can't wait to see how a few of our other surprises go down.
We're here to support the girls in their trip to Wembley as well and present them with the kits they're going to wear on the day. So an outstanding achievement by them, and one that really proud of them and Southend. So two Southend United clubs, or two teams, going to Wembley on the same day, which is brilliant.
They've done unbelievable in their tournament to get through, and obviously we know the feeling of that as well. So yeah, we know all the hard work that they've put in. Fingers crossed they get the result from it, and likewise for us.
So my name's Flo. I play for, well, my school is Bournes Green, and I'm representing Southend. We're playing at Wembley in the National League football final.
Are you excited to play on the pitch?
I'm super excited, can't wait.
c2c are really closely connected to our school. Most of our families travel from c2c, going to and from their work, and actually we've got quite a few parents who also work for c2c, and they've been so helpful throughout this whole process. It's been really, really good. Amazing kit that was bespoke for the girls. Our children were stunned with the opportunity to actually meet the team captain and the manager, and our girls have had the most amazing afternoon. Our girls believe in themselves, they've grown as a team, and they're hugely successful, and that's our three core values as a school. They've shown it immensely throughout the tournament, as did the men last night.
I hope they go and enjoy it and experience the day with their families, and to go to Wembley at that age is an incredible achievement.
Just massive thank you to Mr. Denchfield organising this, massive thank you to everyone here.